I've come out this evening. It's a little bit windy. I just put up the wind thing there. Now, it did say when I left home it was no wind, but looking at the weather app tonight, we got gusts. But I've got my Mavic 4 Pro tonight, and I've got my Pro controller as well, because what I want to do, as you can see, I've got my AR glasses on. And guys, all you got to do, because I had somebody contact me to say Shaun, it wasn't working, but I can assure you, once you plug it in, I can see what's going on in the glasses there, which I'm just doing now. And all you got to do, you just got to tap the side there and it comes straight up. This is the other good thing about this. I can see what's going on the controller as well. And we've got 74% battery. We've got 23. My home point's already been set. So we get it off the ground, because I'll tell you what, you're going to love this location, that's for sure. So here we go. Can you hear it? It's such a big boy. I'm going to send it off out. Right. Okay, I just saw the drone then on the glasses then. Now, I'll be honest, I have got the glasses full up, nearly. And thankfully, the sun's going down, and we've got about another half hour. But look at this place. They call this the Badlands. And I just love it. Right, so I'm going to put on the footage that you can see as well. I'm just getting the glasses set up so I can see it all. Okay, so I got it on 4K 30. Okay, it's off we go. We're just going to send it out over the lake. Now, this is a man-made reservoir. There was, believe it or not, a little village down there somewhere. And every now and again, you see something pop up from out the water. But anyway, I'm turning it around now. I'll tell you what, once you start getting used to these glasses, it's just amazing. I got it in normal mode. What I want to do is I'm going to come around and see if I can capture the sun before it disappears over the mountains there. And I can just see the light there now. I can see in my vision in the corner there. The drone is jumping up and down, but what amazes me is how steady it is, even in this sort of gusty wind. Right, I'm just bringing it around now towards the sun. I've got no filters on, guys. You can see the sun there now. Okay, I'm going to move up over here a bit. I'm just sending that out. I've got 137 feet. Checking the back, I've got 66 on the clock still, which is good. I've still got a good signal. Okay, so it's dropped down to 4 bars, so that's another thing I can see on these glasses, which is another amazing thing, really. Okay, got signal interference. Okay, I'm still going to keep going. Okay, weak signal. Okay. It's probably what it is. It's because the drone's gone round that way now. So I'm going to turn the drone around. There's no point in pushing it. Look at that, eh? Okay. I mean, this is what I like, is the shadow. Okay, I'm going to stop the video because what I want to do is take some photographs as well. Okay, I mean, I don't even need to use the zoom on this, to be honest. What I might do is what I'm gonna do then, because I've got interference because it's round that way, and I've got some pylons there. I'm gonna bring the drone back. So this is another good thing about this. I can still see what's going on in the controller. So I'm going to bring the drone back, and we're going to go to just around the corner. It's what they call the viewpoint. We're going to see more of the Badlands. So I'm back to where I was. I'm just going to plug in the glasses onto the controller. Drone's ready. Home point's been done already. Takeoff. This is another good thing about these glasses now, because the sun... Okay, I got a lot of midges tonight. Right. Okay. Let's put on the video. Okay, that's on there. Let's just get these set up on the face. We can hear that. You can hear that roar. Right, so I'm just going to bring it around now. So what I'm going to do, I've got. Right, so I'm just going to bring it around now, because this is where I want to capture that sun. So what I'm going to do, I've got 51 on the clock, so I should have enough to go where I want to go. Okay, we're just going to go up this sort of this valley here. See it now? If we'll be blinded. Alright. Okay, we're going to go up that valley. We'll bring it up a little bit more. If I was doing this for a page, should be enough. Then, yeah, I'll be putting on the end. And then we're just going to bring it up. But because what it is where that sun is, where the sun is settling. Raise it up a little bit. That's where I want to turn the drone around eventually. Okay. So you can see a track down below. Okay, I'm just going to send it out that way. Okay. See it now. If I'd come out here, obviously with my glasses on, I'm going to be blinded by that sun over there. So, like I said before, we call this the Badlands. Obviously, if I was doing this for a paid job, then yeah, I'll be putting on the ND filters for sure. I've got 40 on the clock. But I just do this for my own pleasure, really. Okay, so you can raise it up a little bit more there. I'm just going to go a little bit further. I still haven't had my teeth not too fixed yet, so I've still got this TH I don't need to go too far. Right. So I'm just going to press return to home. Now there is another viewpoint which is further away, but it's better for this sort of thing. But anyway, what, guys, if you've got the money, down here. Get these, because honestly they're so worth it. I know it's a little bit extra money because you got. The RayNeo glasses worked really well, I must say, because somebody did say that when they tried to plug their glasses into this, it just wouldn't connect. But I can safely say mine worked fine, so all I can say, maybe you need to contact RayNeo and see what's going on there. But yeah, they were fantastic. Even having the shades on as well, with that sun right in my face, worked really well. But this machine was a bit of a letdown, to be honest. Flying the drone, no problem. Got some great shots of that. But what I did notice was, as soon as I put on the screen save, I think 5 minutes in, I obviously watched on the edit, it was out of sync. And the longer it went on, the more out of sync it went. I didn't show you that because it would have gone on and on. I'm sorry about all the racket there, because you had two mics going on. It was way out of sync to the extent when I was taking photographs, but on the real video footage, we was probably about 5 minutes behind. So something there DJI need to sort out, because I did get something else a while back mentioning that, but I haven't been trying that out lately. So yeah, there's some problem there with the screen save where it's not syncing. And the reason why I put the mic on as well, it does make it easier, believe it or not, when I'm doing the editing, because I can match it up with my mic on my Pocket 3. But yeah, it'd be great to hear if you guys have noticed that same problem. Maybe not so much with the screen save itself, but definitely with the mic, it was way out. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. That's the main thing. Amazing location, I must say. And yeah, I'll catch you on another video very soon.